Hello everyone, Banditos here. Today I will try make new video for you guys. Today I'm gonna show you script what I made for my own server, but I of course gonna share as always. I try to do like share things what I do with the community, with other servers. So you need to go to my GitHub. And here is pinned the custom quest, expansion quest for that island, and new DayZ admin helper. Just press on this one. Here is gonna be the script which I made for DayZ server admins who maybe not have program which ones helps a server from the cheaters to joining. Like I hate when someone have bug banned and they try join. If you have ban, you fucked up one time, and I don't care what you done. And if you cheated, you cheated. So yeah. So that script helps you to check those peoples, because sometimes people's now really smart and they change the Steam to invisible, and then you cannot see his information. So that's why I made the script. So in the Z admin helper folder, here you will see readme. Here is explain what you need to do. What we're gonna use? We're gonna use Python. So we need requirements. So you need Python, request 2 to 8, and Colorama. As also, because some people maybe don't know how to run the command for Python, I made a checkbat file, run checkbat file. What is gonna what is gonna do, you gonna take like player text there. I'm gonna explain what you need to write there, and drag and drop to the bot. Also, you can, if you have a LBM master mod, one of mod, and if he have inside the profile folder player names JSON file, in which one you can get every single Steam ID players who plays on your server. So you can also drag and drop this to here. If you not use LabM master, you can just delete the player names JSON file from this folder when you download it. Only the use players text. Then you just double click checkbot, and then you're gonna see magic. So to just first you download, then go to readme. Here is Steam APK. You need to know your Steam APK. Here in the Steam Bands P, that's mean it's Python file. Here you're gonna see this line. You only need to change this line with your Steam APK. Like I say, you can press this link. I'm not gonna press because it's gonna be visible my Steam APK, because I already tried. So yeah, I'm recording now second time to not make the same mistake. So what you do, you just go to this Steam APK web, then find your APK, go to Python, open Python, paste here, not in this, like not in my, on your computer. So let's go and open, like here, you just press edit with Notepad or another program which you prefer to run. And then that's it with Python. You no need to do anything with Rune or something. You just download the folder and just take that folder, put wherever you want to have it. You can put in C disk and D disk on desktop doesn't matter. The script is gonna run from the folder, from this folder where you download it and where you put it. It doesn't matter. So next, what you need to do, if you not have LabMaster on your server, so you just open a player's txt file, and here it's gonna be, let me check or show on this one here. It should be like this. You need paste and the Steam ID like this, and every line is supposed to have no commas, nothing, like one like this, and like I show you on this. Sorry, it's in my language. So one line, let's copy this, and then like this, no commas, anything. So you just do like this, save the file, and then just take this file, drag and drop on runechecks bot. Let's do this together, and you will see what's gonna happen. Now you're gonna get this one, and you see it's checked, no WAC bans, no gamer bans, nothing. That person is clear. We just press enter. That's it. Let's say you have someone who banned. Let me check on Steam real quick, and I will find some player who have bug ban, and we continue from there. So I also have in the admin helper players txt. Here it's one ID. You can use this one, just copy, open player text with your editor, just paste, save. You can close now this. As you see, I have only players txt, so I can drop and drag, but also I can double click. If I click double click, you see now two Steam IDs. So everything is clean. Press OK and continue. Then we're gonna use, wait a minute. I'm crazy. Twice pasted the same Steam ID. So let's try again. Just paste. Right. Like, let's say this guy just joined my server and I need to check because it's private. Yeah. Just save, run twice, or drag and drop. And you see this account has bans. So WAC ban. Then you just press enter and then refresh. When you refresh, you're gonna get banned players txt, daisy ban lines txt. So now, like banned players txt, let's open this one. This one is gonna say is how since bans 2000 days, yeah. And then next one, it's gonna be in this one. So this this line you need to put in your game.txt. Sorry, not game.txt. It's bantech.txt file where you have in the servers folder. Which one I can show you in here, and like not here, it's in where is your server installed, or on some hosted servers, it's gonna be ban.txt file. So you open this one, and then you put the same how it looks here. You can put full, here is in my language, but in that GitHub version, it's gonna be everything in English, so ignore that. So you just can copy paste it doesn't matter those. You need to have those, but if you don't wanna, you just can do, just delete this, and it should be then when next one is gonna be have like ban or game bans. You just press, it's gonna generate itself, so you just copy and paste in the ban text file. So that's kind of it. I hope for some people it's gonna be a good one, and yeah, if you like it, this one, press the star, like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.